Hello and welcome. In today's quick tip, we'll explore our new and improved product pages that provide easy access to information and useful tools. ACI's redesigned website now includes unique product pages for each item, making finding and bookmarking the information you need easier. To access a specific product page, use the search bar at the top of the page to find your desired product. You can search by part number or specific keyword. Once landed on the product page, you'll be able to add items to your cart, download data sheets and instructions, download dimensional drawings in both PDF and CAD formats, and view product specifications. For similar products, you can select other options from the drop-down boxes on the product page or explore different variations or configurations of the product. To find related products, scroll down to the bottom of the product page. This section suggests similar devices and accessories that may interest you. Thanks for watching and visiting our redesigned website. Please get in touch with your ACI sales engineer for more information or click the chat icon found on every page.